Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And now we are reaching more than 4,000 subscribers right now. I was thankful to you all because of you only this was happening right now. And those who are again new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. In this video, I am going to find out the intraday trade opportunities. So most of the people who are asking about intraday, how to find out the intraday to trade opportunities, many of them are asking about my intraday trade opportunities that I am going to discuss in this video, but I am not going to discuss about that the code of this scanner of this particular thing. So I'm planning to provide you on a different Telegram channel to give you in a minimum charges basis that I'm going to explain how the system is going to work, right? So here I'm going to plan a trade based on the Doji candle. Okay, so whenever the Doji candle is forms on hourly time frame, that how we can do the trade based on that a particular hourly time frame candle. So that I'm going to discuss in this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you are liked it, you can share to your friends. If you have any questions, just comment on the comment box. Now this is the hourly chart of RBL bank. So whenever the Doji candle which forms an RBL bank, that is a more powerful Doji, that I am going to scan using my scanner. So here runs a Doji candle, right? Another Doji where it is present somewhere here on hourly basis. Okay, I'm not talking about intraday, positional. It is hourly basis. Wherever the Doji candle forms, that scanner will find out wherever the Doji is forms or any particular stock, right? Whenever the Doji candle present, so it will scan and send you alert in a Telegram group. So that kind of way I'm going to create this now. So how we are going to make the trade? So whenever it breaks below the low, we are going to take the trade, and breaks above the high, we are going to make a trade. For example, this Doji candle, what I am finding out based on this Doji candle. So how I am going to trade? It is intraday. So what is the risk for my trade? So it is 187.5 and 188.45. So somewhere around 90 paisa is the risk. When the market is broken below that level, so it fallen down on the same day, it is 184. So you are taking a one risk and it gives you more than 1:2 reward. Whenever it breaks the high, I am going to buy that options. Now I am going to create a scanners. I already created a scanner. How it is giving you such a great intraday opportunity, that I'm going to backtest now. So this will not repaint because some people are running, so they are using current candle. So when you are using a current candle, whenever it forms a doji, it will be reflecting. But if suddenly if the changes, anything changes happening on that but current candle, the doji may be disappear. So that is the major problem. I have a comment also. That is the problem if you are using the current candle. So that will plateau the candle whenever it condition meets. If the market moves, it will reappear, means repaint. So that is the problem. But if you are following those candle which is closed, right, the -1 candle, that will never ever reappear because this is based on candlesticks pattern. So that is a trick where we are going to understand which kind of candlesticks we are going to use. Now I'm going to use the doji. This is what one code. So I'm going to give you collection of some 6-7 scanners will provide you such a intraday opportunity. So I'm not going to show the code right now. It is based on doji alone. So if I scan now, it is hourly basis what I'm using here. So 1 hour basis. So 1 hour candle minus 1 hour candle, any formation of doji, it will scan. Okay, so here I'm going to plan for my intraday trades. So this is my idea where I am going to apply here in intraday trades, which I am going to focus this doji candle, right? So let's go for a check how many doji candle which present. Let's say almost last 1 month report is there, and finally this is on the September 16th and 17th. So almost 1 month, 3, 4, 6, 7 stocks which is forms this kind of pattern in Doji. So this is what are the code which I have created, and for a filter out many criteria which I mentioned to filter out this Doji, I have a powerful Doji. So the first one which is forms on 16th September, Grasim at 215, on 16/9 215 which forms. Let's check Grasim on hourly basis. So many Doji candle which present. Okay, so for example, here is the Doji, here is the Doji, but I'm going to filter out the more powerful Doji, some using some other filters on that code. So where we got the Doji and Grasim on 16/9. Let's say, let's remove all the drawing. 16, 20th September, 7, 8, 9, 13, 14, 16, somewhere here, maybe this 15th, 16th September, this may be the 16th September, the time frame which we are got it around 215. If it is a 215, so we should take 315 candle. So maybe this candle 215, right? So this is a Doji, but it is not giving you some intraday opportunity. Why? Because of it is a closing hours. We are not going to focus a intraday trade based on this candlesticks pattern. Okay, but even if it is next day it open higher and it moves, but intraday we didn't have any opportunity. And the second stock which is forms at 115 of ACC 17th September. So let's go to check ACC 17th September hourly chart. We are focusing for a hourly chart. This one. Yes, perfect. This is the candle at 12:15. So where we are get the time is 1:15. So we have to see the previous candle, that is closing of 1:15. This is the entry point where I find out based on the candlesticks pattern. So the risk and reward for the trade which I get it 2372 2386. Whenever it broken that high, it moves somewhere high of 2401. So I'm taking a 14 rupees risk. It generated me a 14 rupees profit. So based on that Doji candle, so we are focusing a more powerful Doji based on hourly time frame. And again, this is what happening by 11:15 27th September, that is Pfizer. So let's say Pfizer 27th September, right? So we'll remove all the drawings. 27th September, where 20th September, maybe this. Yes, can you see that 27th September it forms a Doji candle at the bottom. So whenever it broke the high, so what is the risk for the trader? 5,600 and 5,640, 35 rupees risk. In next candle it moves to 62, and after that trading, and this is happening by next day, and the same day it moves maximum of 5663. So that is the highest level. So here I'm focusing for a hourly chart. And again, any stocks here recently on 6th October, that is RBL Bank. So let's go for a check. 6th October RBL Bank. We're going to check RBL Bank. So this one, 6th October, it is giving in the breakdown, and it gives you such a great profit. And again, any stocks which forms, and 6th October 215 ITC. 6th October 215, this one. So here there is an opportunity. It never give you any trade opportunity. There is a high and low is not broken, right? So we didn't get an opportunity, but after that market is moves very well, so we don't worry about that. So it is not giving you opportunity. And again, 915 of Ambuja Cement. So whenever any stock which present at 915, we are not going to take, because it is showing you the previous day signals. And if you check that another one, so that is you got a lot of stocks here. This is also be one of the another candle. So let's say for example, this is happening by October 4th and 12:15 Coromandel. 12:15, 6th October, 4th October, 4th October, 12:15. This one. You get this, Doji? 4th October. So the high and low was 806 and 804. After next two candles, it fallen down to 797. So that is a good profit which is happening by on the day itself. So now I have created the scanners, and on some other stocks also we can check on previous back test. If any stocks which is comes 9:15, we are not going to take, and 12:15 this was happening by 9:15 we don't take, because 9:15 is the mention of previous day candle, and here 4th October 12:15. So recently we got a 2:15. Let's see what is the stock 11th ITC 2:15. This one should get it. So here there is a doji with a small risk of 40, and next within the same candle it moves to 239.5. The risk for the trade is 1 rupee, and reward also be generated 1 rupee. This is for intraday trade. So those who are focusing. So now even I will update you more power about this candlesticks pattern. I'm working on that. So if you like this video, you can like and share if you have liked it, and comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I will update you this detail about this candlesticks pattern, how we can use for a intraday trade. Thank you for watching this, and thank you very much.